Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to our class again. And today is Wednesday, and we will learn about grammar. Our grammar section is about past simple or simple past. I remember that I gave you the homework about 3 questions that related to the past simple, and the first one is what is past simple? And past simple or simple past is a tense which is used to describe the past action. And we use simple past to talk about the completed actions in a time before now in the past. And the form of simple past is subject plus verb to and plus object. For example, I bought my sister's a new phone. She studied English in 2016. Simple past. Today, you will be able to identify how to form a simple past or past simple and when to use simple past. And what you need to know, or the things that is good for you to know, is regular verbs and irregular verbs. So they are very important in order to create a verb too. Presentations. Look at these sentences. I walked to school yesterday. We bought an encyclopedia book last week. So when we see these two sentences, we can find out that they are in simple past form. Mode 2. How to form a simple past. So how can we form a simple past, everyone? Yes, for regular verbs. So for regular verb, we can get the form subject plus verb 2, that we use verb 1 plus with ed plus object. For example, I watched movie in my new laptop yesterday. He walked to school last week. She cooked dinner. So the verb watch, you just need to plus with ed and then it becomes verb 2. For another word that finishes with letter E, when you want to create it into the verb 2, you just plus it with letter D. For example, I closed the door quickly. He lived here in 2015. They used their computers 2 years ago. So the verb close, it finishes with letter E, you need to plus D and then it becomes verb 2. For the verbs ending in Y, preceded by a consonant, just like the word study, invest, spy, and etc. Remember that you need to change Y to I and then plus ed, and then it will become as verb 2. For example, I studied a lot. She spied her neighbor last month. Study, we delete Y plus I and ed. For irregular verb, it is a kind of unique past simple form. For example, I built that house last year. So build came from to infinitive to build. They wrote a Noah book yesterday. So wrote came from to infinitive to write. You had 5 hula hoops at home 2 years ago. So had came from to have. For questions, when you want to make questions for all verbs, irregulars and regular, we have the same form: did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object and plus question mark. Look at this example. Did he talk to him this morning? Did you do the homework yesterday? Did they visit Thailand last month? So we use did in order to make the questions and plus with verb 1. And if you want to say yes, you have to say yes, I did. If you want to say no, no, I didn't. Moves to past simple in negative form. For all regulars and irregular verbs, we have the same form: subject plus did plus not. Or we can say didn't plus verb 1 and plus object. For example, I didn't want to do it. They didn't work here anymore. You didn't follow my instruction. Simple past in use. When do we use past simple, everyone? Yes, we use past simple for things that happen at a specific time in the past. And you can use the time expressions to express about the time that happened in the past. For example, yesterday, this morning, in 2001, last year or ago, and etc. For example, he left for New York in 2001. Dara did the final test yesterday. Students play football this morning. So the time expression will help you to recognize the tense in English. You can also use or make the questions in past simple with WH questions. For example, when did you go there? What did you do last night? Why did you use this dictionary? Where did he go? Okay, so now move to our quick game altogether, everyone. Just want to refresh your mind altogether. I have 5 regular verbs and I want you to change it into past tense. So please tell me about the past tense. Yes. Okay, 1, work. So the past tense is work. Okay. Number 2, watch. Watch. Number 3, visit. Yes, visited. Number 4, call. And number 5, ask. Okay, for irregular verbs, you need to change it into past tense too. Okay, bring, you change to brought. Buy become bought. Be, was or were. Write, wrote. Drink and drank. Okay, good job, everyone. Now move to the exercise that you have to do today. Answer the questions below for me. I have 4 questions and I also give you one example. When did you visit Angkor Wat? I visited Angkor Wat last week. One here. When did you study English? What did you do at home yesterday? How did you go to school last week? And why did you use phone? Note, you have to answer the questions with correct past simple form. Now look at the example again. When did you visit Angkor Wat? So my answer is I visited Angkor Wat last week. So this is the activities that I did last week. I visited. So this is the correct answer that you need to answer with past simple form. Okay, so if you have any questions about this exercise, you can ask me directly to my personal messenger. So thank you so much for that. Okay, move to close, everyone. Okay, so what did we learn today? Yes, great job. So today we learn about past simple. And when do we use past simple? Yes, we use past simple to talk about the completed actions in the past. Can anyone find the example for me? Yes. For example, I bought my sisters a new iPhone 11 yesterday. Okay, so great job, everyone, and thank you so much for today. Let's have a great day all together, and do not forget to do the exercise and send it to me on time. So thank you so much, everyone. Good luck to you.